Today we're going to master 3 different types of functions in Excel: the COUNTIF, SUMIF, and then also using the COUNTIF for logical tests. So first, if we want to figure out how many sales Steve made, we're going to go ahead and type equals COUNTIF, and then this takes 2 parameters. The first one is we're looking for the individual, which is Steve, so we're going to go ahead and select B for our column, and then go ahead and type what you're looking for. So in our case, Steve, and then go ahead, close off your parentheses and hit enter. So we see that Steve made 5 sales, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we know that it's counting correctly. Second question, we want to use SUMIF. So we want to figure out what the total revenue is for our laptops. So go ahead and type equals SUMIF, and this is going to take 3 parameters. The first one is the range, where we want to look for our product. So our case is going to be column D, and then we want to look for the laptops to figure out what the total revenue is. So type laptop, and then our last parameter is what we want to sum. So our case would be the sales amount, or column E, and then go ahead and close off your parentheses, and then you have your total sum for the laptop revenue. Our last thing is looking at how many sales were over $1,000. So this case, we're going to use COUNTIF, use equals COUNTIF, and then the first parameter we want to figure out is the sales amount. So go ahead and select your column E, and we want to say if this is greater than, so go ahead and type greater than 1,000, and then close it off and hit enter, and this will show us that there were 4 sales over $1,000.